Hello and welcome to Oliveboard. I hope you all are well. It's a new day and it would be a cherry on the cake if we could start the day by learning something new. So, we at Oliveboard have come up with the series called Word of the Day. In this series, we are giving you a new word every day along with its meaning and usage in sentences. Apart from that, we'll also give you a quick glance at the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, today is day 5 and this series will be helpful for you since it will help you strengthen your vocabulary. And it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So, without wasting any more time, let us have a look at today's word. So, today's word is competent. Now, let us look at the meaning of the word. The meaning of the word is having necessary ability, knowledge, or skill to do something successfully. In order to understand this meaning better, let us look at the word in sentence. So the sentence here says, I wouldn't say he was brilliant, but he is competent at his job. So he has the necessary skills or knowledge set to do his job well or successfully. So, the meaning of the word competent here is having the necessary ability, knowledge, or skill to do something successfully. Now, let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, the synonyms can be capable, skillful, talented, and qualified. And now let us look at the opposites or antonyms of the given word. So the antonym can be incompetent, which means not having or showing the necessary skills to do something successfully. So competent meant having the necessary skills to do something successfully, and incompetent means not having the necessary skills to do something successfully. Now, let us understand this word better with the help of Hindi. So, we are going to understand this word with the help of the language Hindi. So, the sentence or the example that we had taken up was I wouldn't say he was brilliant, but he was competent at his job. So, when this sentence is translated into Hindi, it means मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि वो बहुत अच्छा था, but उसके पास अपना काम करने की क्षमता और ज्ञान दोनों थे. So he had all the skill and the knowledge to do his job well, to do his job successfully. Let us look at another example. So दूसरा example ये कहता है operators must be fully competent in the use of the system. So system को operate करने के लिए operators के पास वो सारा ज्ञान और क्षमता होनी चाहिए जिससे कि system successfully operate कर सके. So operators के पास successfully ऑपरेट करने के लिए सिस्टम को सक्सेसफुली ऑपरेट करने के लिए सारा ज्ञान और क्षमता होना बहुत ज़रूरी है राइट सो वी हैव यूज बोथ द लैंग्वेजेस इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो प्लीज लाइक द वीडियो शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड स्टे ट्यून टू ऑलिव बोर्ड फॉर मोर सच कंटेंट वील कम अप विद अ न्यू वर्ड टुमारो सो स्टे ट्यून्ड थैंक यू